Okay, hey everybody. This is the result of the pork chop video, and I just want to show you how juicy this looks in there. Perfectly fried. Do this the way I told you, and you cannot go wrong. We have baked potatoes with it and some spinach. So just wanted to show you what this looks like, what it comes out like. I do have gravy for it. So I'm going to put the gravy on the side, but this is tender, it's juicy, and this wasn't really a thick cut of pork chops. It's probably maybe 3/4 of an inch. And again, it's the pork loin, the sirloin chop. So if you get the bone in, you can bread those as well. I do that. And those come very well. They're much tastier than the pork loin because the bone is on them. And we enjoy both. So enjoy, you guys, and let me know if you try it. Please ring that bell and hit the subscribe button, and you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.